Hello traders, you're welcome to today's video and I especially welcome you back to the Forex Geek channel. Now in this particular video, we are going to be looking at something quite unique. We're going to be talking about an advanced yet effective tool, okay, and that is the double stochastic oscillator. Alright, we're going to be talking about the double stochastic oscillator in this particular video. Alright, now if you have been searching for a way to refine your trading signals and gain more accuracy in spotting overbought and oversold conditions, then this video is exactly what you need, okay? Now stick around as I guide you step by step through what the double stochastic oscillator is, how it works, and how you can use it in your Forex trading strategy, okay? So let's just quickly get started, alright? Now, let's kick things off with the basics. What exactly is the double stochastic oscillator? Okay? Now, the double stochastic oscillator is a modified version of the classic stochastic indicator, right? Now, I'm just going to add the classic stochastic oscillator to the charts real quick, right? Of course, you should know how a stochastic oscillator looks like, right? Now, the standard stochastic oscillator measures momentum and identifies overbought and oversold conditions in the market. However, the double stochastic oscillator takes this a step further by layering two stochastic oscillators with different settings. Okay, now this approach gives you deeper insights into market conditions, allowing you to filter out noise and focus on more reliable signals. Essentially, it's like having a second layer of confirmation, which is especially helpful in volatile markets or when trading in tricky conditions. Okay, so why would you choose the double stochastic oscillator over the standard version? It all comes down to accuracy. Now, the double stochastic oscillator helps to smooth out false signals by adding a second stochastic calculation. Now, this means you are less likely to get caught up in fake breakouts or misleading market moves. Okay, for example, in range-bound markets, right, when you have a range-bound market, yeah, the double stochastic oscillator provides a clearer indication of when the price is truly overbought or oversold, all right, as a result of the double function, right? So, and in trading markets, it can help you, right? It can help you to pinpoint pullbacks or potential reversals with greater precision. Now, let's talk about setting it up, okay? Most trading platforms like MetaTrader or TradingView allow you to add custom indicators like the double stochastic oscillator. But if you can't find the double stochastic oscillator in itself as a single custom indicator, right? If you can't find it, then I'm going to show you how you can manually, add the double stochastic oscillator to your chart, okay? So here's how to do it. The first step is to add the stochastic oscillator twice, all right? Now, you have to start by adding two stochastic oscillators, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to add, we're going to add with two different settings. We're going to use 14.33 for the first setting, all right, and then we are also going to add another stochastic oscillator with 833, all right, with 833, 8 in K percentage K period, slowing 3 percentage D3, all right, for that's for the second. Okay, now after doing that, right, we are going to adjust the colors. Okay, ideally we are supposed to add the two indicators on one indicator window. All right, so I'm just going to add adding the second indicator to this indicator window. So in order to overlap the two stochastic oscillators on one indicator window, we have to view our navigator. All right. Once you view your navigator, you come to oscillators, right? When you come to oscillators, then you go to stochastic oscillator, and we will now have to drag and drop. So I'm just gonna drag and drop right here, and I already have the 1433 stochastic here, so I'm just going to drag and drop the 833 stochastic on there. So what we're going to do is we have to also make use of different colors, all right, for easy identification. To keep things clear, use different colors for each oscillator. Okay, this way you can easily distinguish between the fast and slow stochastics. So in this case, I'm going to be using, okay, this was light green and red, so I'm just going to be using blue and let's just say blue and green, blue and dark green. All right. Okay. So after doing that, I'm now just going to remove this because I already added two indicators to this indicator window. So I'm just going to remove the second one. Okay. So this is what we have. So now we have our double stochastic oscillator. Right now, the third step is to look for confluences. Right. The key to using the double stochastic oscillator effectively is finding confluences. Okay, finding confluences. For example, if both oscillators show the market is overbought, all right, so it means we're going to be looking for red, green, right? Let me just zoom in a bit, right? We're going to be looking for both the stochastics to, be giving us the same signal at the same time, right? So we're going to be looking for the green crossing below the red, and the blue, the light green crossing below the red, and the blue crossing below the dark green, right? So you can see that we had that double confirmation around here. You can see that we actually had a sell for a bit, and then here again we had double confirmation, and you can see we had a sell. Okay, now let's just look at another one. You can see another double confirmation we had around here. Both oscillators were in overbought territory, and we had bearish crossovers, and you can see that we actually had a sell, and then here again same thing happened, close to the overbought, and we had a sell again. All right, now interpreting signals from the double stochastic oscillator is quite straightforward. Okay, when both stochastic lines are above 80, the market is likely overbought. Conversely, when both lines are below 20, it's likely oversold. Now, these are the areas where you should start watching for potential reversals. Now, another effective strategy is to watch for crossovers between the fast and slow stochastic lines. For example, when the fast line, in this case, the green and the blue, right? When the fast lines cross the slow lines, right? When the fast stochastic line crosses below the slow line in the overbought territory, is a sell signal. When the fast line crosses above the slow line in oversold territory, is a buy signal. Okay, and remember that the fast line in this case, you can see. Let me just come here. The fast line, the main line, is the one that we put in, non-dotted line, like straight line that is not dotted, not broken, the unbroken line, while the slower line is the one that is broken, right? So you will notice that the faster line is the one that crosses below the broken line. Okay, so you're watching out for those crossovers. All right, now remember that these signals are more reliable when they align with other technical tools like trend lines, support and resistance levels, candlestick patterns. So pay attention to all those as well. Now, before we wrap up, here are a few tips to maximize your success with the double stochastic oscillator. The first is to combine it with other tools. All right, do not rely on it alone. Look for confluence with other indicators or price action. All right. Secondly, stick to higher time frames for more reliable signals. Okay, while it works in lower time frames, the noise can sometimes lead to false readings. Okay, and then finally, practice on the demo account before using it in live trading. Mastering the double stochastic oscillator takes time and experience. All right, and that is it for today's video on the double stochastic oscillator. This is an incredibly useful tool that can help you refine your trading strategy and gain better insights into market movements. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button It really helps the channel grow. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more actionable trading content like this. Let me know in the comments, have you used the double stochastic oscillator before, or are you planning to add it to your toolkit? I'd love to hear your thoughts. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Happy trading.